leadership that comes from the distinguished speakers across these sectors will enable the creation of a comprehensive framework.
Overall personality development at that young age of 17 to 21 that happens in an IIT environment.
That how do I provide them the kind of facilities that they need?
Higher standards of food safety.
So it gives them a social connect in these kinds of projects.
We need to take the industry to the villages.
3 consortiums really worked during the COVID times.
If we want to create a informal sector as a micro-entrepreneur sector,
the greatest profit and the greatest value will come from thought.
There's a huge scope for bringing in technological inputs, increasing the productivity.
What Prajha fundamentally does is it converts the skilling program into a demand-driven program, and I think that is something which is one of the driving factors of its longevity.
We focus on giving them a lot of attention.
I think we need to adopt such models where the quality of existing institutions remains rejuvenated.
आज हम बड़े शहरों के विशेषज्ञताओं को, एक्सपर्टीज को अर्ध शहरी क्षेत्रों में, गांव में ले जाने की जरूरत है.
What are going to be the policy steps? What is the training that's going to be needed for doctors, nurses, or others?
I think we need to anybody who's got a GST accreditation, a GST registration.
And I think we have to develop a system using technology to make sure that everyone is updated and we are able to provide them with the ability to provide best clinical care.
हमारे तो 44 जंगल है, लघु अनुपज निकलते हैं, उसके प्रोसेसिंग प्लांट वगैरह लगाएं और उसे विक्रय की व्यवस्था करें.
युवा प्रशिक्षण पर और जोर देने की जरूरत है.
और मुझे प्रसन्नता होगी कि उत्तर प्रदेश में आईआईटी से जुड़े हुए आप जैसे प्रतिभावान लोगों के का सहयोग और सुझाव हर एक स्तर पर हमें प्राप्त होगा. तो मुझे
There were a serious number of reform steps that were taken, including the reduction in corporate tax rates, the simplification.
We need to have a differentiated policy further in for agriculture.
When we rebuild agriculture and food security, we have to keep the farmer in mind. We have to keep the end person who gets the nutrition in mind.
The people who are socially, economically, educationally backward, they don't have any capacity. If only we can give them 1 lakh rupees, they can survive, their family can survive, and they can also, the process of development will accelerate.
Everybody has to restart thinking of what is the future of travel and tourism.
Opportunities are possible in the most difficult times as well.
Why don't we have an IES, Indian Educational Service?
And it is such a gratifying thought to see these girls from interiors of Jharkhand.
Actually, one of the principal tasks of a bank is to allocate credit carefully, particularly when the bond market.
The IIT alumni will keep up the work that they've done till now.
One positive thing that is coming out of even this crisis is a step jump in digitization.
There is a need for us to create more amount of employment.
We have to match the demand and supply.
We have to start thinking about the ecosystem of providers.
Make in India movement is alive.
It's a tough spot for the government to be in terms of giving further breaks on the tax front.
This is a great time to reimagine what we can do.
Come together to solve the problems of the country. And that is what is about Samaj, Sarkar and Bazaar.